Hi everyone, this is the third video in the series of Dialogflow, and in the previous two sessions we discussed about agents and intents, and in this session of Google's Dialogflow we'll discuss about similar and a very useful feature called SmallTalk. So whenever we talk about chatbots, about building a chatbot, we have that user experience in mind that our chatbot should be as friendly as possible, and uh, there are certain basic nuances of the conversation that a bot should understand. And to code that around, if we plan to build all those nuances of the conversation uh, in terms of the programming languages that we use, if we plan to code it around, it will take a lot of time and it becomes a very huge project. So in that case, we have Google's Dialogflow's SmallTalk feature available, which helps us to understand those basic nuances of the conversation. And it also comes out of the box with some predefined responses. So let's see how it is and how it works and how it recognizes the basic human conversation ethics. For example, uh, if I say something which is not already part of my default intent and not and should not be included in my fallback intent, let's say I'm going to say, how are you? Okay, let me first enable this, and it is automatically saved, and I'm going to ask the same question again. So I get a default response in return, and which is not written by my welcome intent and not also returned by my fallback intent. It is actually returned by my small talk, and that can also be verified in the action like small talk.greetings how are you. And let's say instead of asking how are you, I say something like I'm having a bad day today. Then again the small talk triggers and it starts asking me about what went wrong and something like that. So it basically is trying to understand the basic uh, conversations which humans have and how to respond them with, including them with emotions and so on. So this is how we can also leverage the small talk feature that is available with Google's Dialogflow. And we can also try a couple of other, like for example, I am happy today. Excellent, that's what I like to see. So this is how the Google's Dialogflow small talk feature works, and we don't have to configure it specifically, but it will just try to understand the basic conversation nuances, and based on that the responses will be triggered. So thank you so much for watching.